Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT ECG monitoring system. So the main features of this project is we are going to get the ECG of a person, those who wear these electrodes. That particular person's ECG will be monitored directly on your mobile phone through the ThinkSpeak web application that can be accessed from anywhere in the world, so that we can access the patient's ECG readings, that is the PQRST signals, directly can be accessed from this ThinkSpeak. And here, just after logging to ThinkSpeak, you can see the IoT ECG monitoring channel. Click on that. There you get the previously stored ECG parameters, that's the PQRST signals. So for every signal, we can observe the dot. So when you click on the dot, we can get the ECG value along with the date and time, the sample collected at the so-called time along with the date. And this can be downloaded, as well as we can erase this data to get the fresh live data. So before erasing the data, we can get the downloading. To download the data, just go to data import export, and here we can see the download option. Click on the download and the data will be downloaded in Excel sheet, so we can open that. So that particular data consists of, along with the date and time, means how many samples till now collected. So here 5 samples we have collected till now, and date and time along with field 1 is the ECG signal values. So this is the format of Excel sheet in ECG data. And after we took the backup, so if you want to get the fresh data, you can erase the old data. To erase the data, go to channel settings, and in that only to clear the channel. So after channel got cleared, you can go to private view. Right, you can go private view. There you get the old data got erased. So now this is the ECG field 1 for the signals. So coming to this interfacing connections, to achieve these features like reading the ECG data and uploading the same data to the ThinkSpeak. So to achieve these features, we are making use of AD8232 ECG module, so which we have interfaced that pin number 10, 11 and A0. 10 and 11 will provide us the electrodes placed properly on the body or not, and A0 will get the details of ECG signal details, that's a PQRST signals. And after we extracted the features of this ECG signals as a PQRST, same data will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak as we discussed earlier by using this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, so which was interfaced at pin number 8 and 9. So 10, 11, A0 for the ECG module AD8232, and next 8 and 9 for this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. And to run these modules, we are making use of a power supply from this adapter, so which will take the 230 volts AC input and provide us a 5 volts DC output, as it has a stages like step down transformer in this one, which will step down the AC 230 volts to 12 volts of AC, and rectifier to convert the AC to pulsating DC, and filter is the capacitors to remove the pulses and provide us a pure DC of 12 volts. But the operating voltage of our system is 5 volt, along with the Arduino and ECG module, Wi-Fi module is a 5 volt operating voltage. In order to make the 12 volts DC, we are making use of 7805 regulator on this board, so it will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output. So that is the main operation of this regulated power supply board. So before placing these electrodes on your body, you can just remove the watch or any copper bracelet on your body, just remove them to get the accurate details, right? So before demonstration, first of all, we need to enable the hotspot. By using your mobile phone hotspot only, the system will provide us the data to the ThinkSpeak. So you can on any mobile phone with this hotspot settings, and you can access from any mobile phone, any other, like n number of mobile phones, you can access the ThinkSpeak data. So configure the hotspot name to project 7384, password should be 123456789, AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After we enable the hotspot along with the data, so on the data, on the hotspot, now you can mount these electrodes. So though we are providing the extra electrodes for you, and this is a demonstration purpose. So here we can observe the electrodes naming also. So see, here is a R, red color is a R, so it's a right hand side, so we are placing over here. And next here we can see the R green, so R green is right arm, so at least keep a distance at this manner. So this side one and this side one, right side, and this yellow color is the left. So we can observe this, we can everything to electrodes will be attached, that okay. So gently place on this one hand, and now on the power supply. Right, just we are on the power supply. Right, once you are on the power supply to this power socket, there let us our Wi-Fi module get initialized. Once it's initialized successfully, you can see one device will be connected in your mobile phone. Right, you can see that one device is connected. So on the hotspot data on, you can disable the Wi-Fi only on the hotspot, right? So after we mount these electrodes properly on your hand, so wait for 10 to 15 seconds of duration. The data keep on uploading to the ThinkSpeak. So if you mount these electrodes unevenly or wrongly on your hand or your body, then the system will provide us zero values. So when you're getting the zero values on this ThinkSpeak, that is indication of we place the electrodes wrongly on our body. Right, for every 15 seconds of duration, the system keep on uploading the data. So we can observe this on this heartbeat sensor, like AD8232, we can get the details through the LED indication. Right, so we get this, one data will be there. So wait for, because the data will be uploading for every 10 to 15 seconds of duration. As ThinkSpeak accept the data for 15 to 20 seconds duration, but the Arduino will store this data in a buffer to upload the data to that. So here also just we click on this, you will get along with the data. Right, so we got the one more data. Let us wait for two data to be uploaded. Right, so now we got one more data here. So let us complete this ECG clearly. Right, so now we got the samples till now. Okay, so based on the mounting of these electrodes properly, then we'll get the faster update of data to the ThinkSpeak. Right, okay, so don't forget this red is right hand position, and this is the right arm position, and here left arm position. Right, thank you.